found this 1980s Bridgestone mountain bike on Craigslist for 30 bucks. Yes, I still use Craigslist, and that was one of the best purchases I have ever made. During our van adventures in 2018, I took this bike with us all over North America. From riding around the monuments in DC to Jasper, Alberta in Canada, and all the way up north to Denali and even the bike park in Alyeska, Alaska. This year I upgraded to a modern Cannondale mountain bike. I didn't want to throw away my beautiful relationship with this loyal bike, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to use her for. While on Strava, I started paying more attention to Anton Krupicka's gravel biking adventures, and a light bulb came on. So what are gravel bikes? Gravel bikes are designed to tackle a variety of surfaces, carry additional gear, and are suitable for all-day riding on roads less traveled. They are made to be more durable and robust than a standard bike, along with a wide gear range and space for wide tires. I was in love with this idea, and can see this as something my wife and I can get into big time in the future. So if I wanted this 1980s bike to be a reliable gravel bike, I have to change some things. So let's hit the drawing board. What I'm thinking for this conversion is to install tubeless tires eventually. I will use my original tires until they fail or are bald and useless. The 3x6 drivetrain will be swapped for a 1x10 drivetrain. Drop handlebars are essential for gravel bikes, and I'll wrap them with a leather handlebar tape. Then I will slap 11 through 50 cassette so that I'll be able to climb any hill that comes my way without sacrificing the top speed because of the 38 tooth chainring. So let's get to work.